Which is also called condensation. Good. When the condensation, as you know, water droplets have that magnetic quality to them. Remember two droplets stick together?
Yeah.
We saw that at the beginning of the year?
What?
When they stick together, the droplets get heavier. And to the point they can't stay up in the sky anymore. And what happens?
They fall.
They fall. And that's called precipitation. Good.
Okay.
Now that the water is on the ground,
Transpiration. What?
It's a jigsaw
It is
puzzle.
transpiration.
I'll be making a jigsaw puzzle out of my agenda.
okay, the final one, vaporization is the sun agitating the water to convert it to a vapor. The other one is when you have, remember the video last class? You put the plastic bag around the plant?
Yeah.
What happened?
Transpiration.
Condensation aside, but it's not called condensation, it's called transpiration.
What?
Right there.
I know all of it. It's so not
So
trying.
make sure you know that, raindrops, freezing rain, snow. I might even put the diagram on the test, okay, so make sure you know all the spots in the diagram. Good? So it's going to be multiple choice, 10 questions, 5 true, false, 10 match the terms, and the diagram. Good?
Oh.
Week today? Good?
What did he say?
Don't touch my pee
That
would
sounds like a
you?
bird. That sounds like a bird.
Shit.
Are you stupid or is that just the way you are?
Jerry, you filmed me for 12 years.
What the hell? Shut up, not you.
Nobody likes you, Ethan.
Date for the test, Wednesday, February 7th. Page
Now what? Stop.
991.
Pretty busy.
Ms. Donahue, could you please call the office?
9495. Page 9899. Page 100 to 101. Oh, sorry, second. So 9091 is production. 9495 is production.
Convection.
Conduction.
Oh, sorry.
Radiation.
Fucker.
And water cycle. Now, we're going to do our radiation experiment. And if you'd like to come up here, please.
Edan, pencil up your nose.
Today.
Look, do it again.
Come on up. Come on up in front.
Stop.